Hello and welcome. Today we're looking at a key development in the global power sector. Integrated Global Services, or IGS, has announced the acquisition of Flamsprutarna AB, a provider of turbine maintenance and thermal spray services. The move expands IGS's capabilities across gas turbines, steam turbines, and nuclear assets. Flamsprutarna brings over 40 years of experience, with a strong track record in turbine maintenance, advanced coatings, and nuclear services. Its expertise complements IGS's existing strengths, creating a more comprehensive, multi-technology service offering. This comes at a time when power operators are under increasing pressure to improve reliability, extend asset life, and reduce outage durations. With this acquisition, IGS is strengthening its ability to support those demands on a global scale. Flamsprutarna will continue operating from Sweden, with its team and expertise remaining in place. As part of IGS, it is expected to expand its capacity and support more projects worldwide. For operators, the benefit is a more integrated, single-source service model, with better coordination across turbine technologies and more efficient outage execution. IGS CEO Rich Crawford noted that the addition of Flamsprutarna enhances the company's ability to deliver higher output with fewer outages, particularly by strengthening capabilities in steam turbine and nuclear services. Flamsprutarna CEO Victor Holm emphasized the company's long-standing focus on quality and safety, and the opportunity to extend its global reach as part of IGS. Together, the combined organization will continue to focus on reliable operations, strong safety standards, and long-term asset performance. IGS, headquartered in Virginia, brings over 35 years of experience in surface protection solutions, while Flamsprutarna adds decades of specialized turbine expertise from Sweden. This acquisition brings both together to better support the evolving needs of the global energy industry. Thank you for listening to the latest industry news. To learn more, visit our website at www.integratedglobal.com.